Fix no boot device found error. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix no boot device found error. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to turn off your laptop completely and turn the laptop back on and continuously press the F2 key to open the BIOS menu. Now, go to System Information on the left side of the BIOS menu. On the right side, confirm that your hard disk is detected. If your hard disk appears like my 240 GB SSD, it means there is no hardware issue. Now you need to select boot sequence from the left menu and on the right side choose UEFI mode. Click apply and then OK to save the changes. Click exit to restart your laptop and Windows should now load successfully and the issue will be resolved. And that's all. So if your hard disk is detected, switching to UEFI mode fixes the error. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.